Flex up. Hey, flex up. I wanna flex up. I need a tag, yeah. I wanna bag, yeah. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that straight up potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves but still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Yeah. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Okay. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doge, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, they showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the coupe got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Flex up. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Wait. Just wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in it teed up. I turn them to vegan, I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon, I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me, they can't. I'm somewhat tucked off, I'm late in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving, they see me, I'm him, I'm a gym in the soil, it's by the time. I've been after mine, I'm one with the culture, they more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle, I'm leaving the key in, it's running no meter. I want me a boy and I need him to see me. Yeah, I know it's my season, my family the reason I be who I'm being. I'm solid. Lately I'm pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at a dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I been a head case, Ben Frank on the right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn 2 ends of the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody, now she never did want me, she talking real naughty. Nah, I ain't sorry, bitch, slept on they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud in it, I'm real rowdy, I'm going off. Had no chances, I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas, I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just with tandem, I do this for life. They just post for the camera, they scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion, I know it's my season, I'm go to the stanza. I'm somewhere tucked off, I'm late in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I'm solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it though, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tent on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I ball up my fist. Part of my glitz, take a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a bitch real quick. Fresh when I dress, take a look at my stitch. Think I lost my sense. Wood to the neck, I been acting real different. Know I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my I been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I been on edge, I been living too quick. I can't get to sleep, knowing it's all in my reach. Know I been living too fast. Look in my eyes and don't blink.
Promise I ain't ever traded sides. Know that I'm not out here living right.
Crazy that we made it through.
Pray that you find what you're looking for.
Don't shrink for all the people that you're leaving behind. Grow because there are people who are waiting on you.
The beauty of my own story is that
enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, search up, nigga. The world been dying, days is numbered. Check the climate, I'm sick of it. They had brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and the whip that's quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star. Bitch, I'm raising a bar like they really pay me. They talk my life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't up? This not just for the show, but bet you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked. The master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother. Told my truth, I shake that fake shit. They praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Owe this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating and talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claimed belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that's not harming us. Capping your status, we back, ain't nobody bras us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sack. When they pay to play my shit back, ain't no way I'm going back.